In this video, I'll show you how Adobe Illustrator's new Sketch to Vector feature can transform a simple sketch into clean vector artwork. We'll generate line art, add shading, and even create a fully colored illustration in just a few clicks. Let's start with this hand-drawn sketch. Click to Window, choose Contextual Taskbar, and choose Sketch to Vector. We'll be using the built-in Gemini 3.0 model for this. First, let's generate clean vector line art. We don't need a prompt for this step. Within seconds, Illustrator generates a clean and professional line art. Next, let's add shading. This gives the illustration more depth and detail. For this step, we only need a simple prompt. Add shadows and highlights to the cat. Then click Generate. Just a few seconds later, the shading is complete. And now we have a polished shading pass, ready for the next step. Now let's add some color. I'll use a simple prompt. Give the cat some color. Then click Generate to create the final version. Just like that, we have a finished full-color illustration. Here's the full transformation. Starting from a simple sketch, we generated clean line art, added shading, and finished with a fully colored illustration. And that's Sketch to Vector in Adobe Illustrator 2026. What do you think about this feature? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.